Hey guys, welcome to a cleaning motivation video. I'm gonna do a whole house clean today because it really needs it. I'm gonna start in my bedroom today, which I think is a little bit different to my other videos. And I did wash my bed sheets yesterday, so I'm gonna start with making my bed. I'm so excited for fresh sheets tonight. I swear there is nothing better than at the end of a day climbing into fresh bed sheets. So let's get this done. My bed is done. I still feel like I need to get like nice cushions or something to add some color in here. I've got some clothes on the floor that I need to pick up, and also my little flowers over here have seen better days, and I think maybe, although the yellow ones are pretty good, maybe I could just get rid of the other ones and cut up the yellow ones and just bring them back. How cute does this look? Oh my god. I can't believe they're still like so fresh. I did rip that flower that was totally fine off because it was a bit lower. The vase is totally too big for it. Also, this is a drinking glass that I got from South Melbourne markets a very long time ago, but so cute. I love yellow. It's so bright in here. Next, I'm gonna clean off and dust this area. I've also had a lot of questions lately about a jewelry holder. It's from H&M, but I did get it last year, so I don't know if it's still available. And also my bag. The brand is called Pauline, I think that's how you pronounce it. It's a French brand. It is beautiful. I want everything off their website. It's just amazing. Cool, we're pretty much done in here now. I just have to vacuum the floor. I don't think I've really done too much in here in terms of like my bedroom makeover. I mean, it's looking way cuter, and that devil's ivy plant is growing like crazy. It's just loving it here, and it's got all these different like strands coming off it, and I'm very excited. He's very happy there. Also, this basket is from Anna. I don't know where she got it. Go and ask her where she got it. I love it. It is plastic lined as well, so when I pour a little bit of water in there, I'm not too worried about it. It's just if I give it a proper drink of water, if that's what you want to call it, I take it out and I go to the sink, but just for a little bit it's fine. Thriving. And this is, yeah, my really pretty little bedroom setup, and then my bedside table is coming along nicely. I still think I need to style this just a little bit differently. Like I said, maybe get some pillows for the middle, and then I have my big Monstera over there that's pretty happy in the corner. I think I feel like I need to get one of those poles that he can like be attached to and he'll be happy. But let's vacuum the floor. And we're done. It's so clean and fresh in here. I'm loving the yellow, like the little pop of yellow over there. And then I have like my leafy things and everything. My clothes rack just hasn't been touched because I don't go anywhere, so it's actually pretty clean and I don't need to do anything on that. But yay, we're done. Now I can move on to the living room. Okay, so my living room is a bit of a disaster zone. I have a lot of electronic things because I've been working, cameras, tripods. I have 1, 2, 3 tripods out here. And this box from this new one, this is a phone tripod, which I'm using. I've had this for months and I've not even used it. And I unboxed it the other day and I've just used it actually to film my cleaning. So I'm going to have this video here on YouTube, but I'm also gonna have a vertical video over on my Instagram if you would like to see a different perspective of this cleaning video. There's not as much on that though. I haven't filmed everything. But yeah, let's get in and clean all of this up.
video is sponsored by Squarespace. Squarespace is an online platform where you can create websites, blogs, and e-commerce stores, and it is the platform that I have used to create my website. If you are looking to maybe create a blog or an online store, or even create a website for a business that you already own, then I would definitely recommend checking out Squarespace. They have a great range of templates that you can start with, so you can get a feel for how your website will look, and then from there you can customize it to suit your needs. They also have a really great range of tools and help guides to help you navigate and understand how the platform works and achieve things like connecting all of your social media accounts. If you are interested in starting a website, then head to squarespace.com and start a free trial, and when you are ready to launch, you can click the link in the description or use my code to get 10% off your first purchase of a website or domain.
Living room is done. It feels so fresh in here. I do get a lot of people telling me they hate the angle of my couch, but I can't really do anything about it because it's an angled wall, and if I move the couch out, then I lose a pretty significant amount of space in here, and then I end up with this weird gap behind the couch, and then this space kind of gets blocked off, and then I can't really use the mirror, and then it kind of blocks off my bedroom door. And you know what? It doesn't really bother me, so I'm okay with it. But just for anyone wondering, it's an angled wall, so there's not much I can do about it. So if you just look at it this way, everything looks like angled and neat and organized, and it's great. I also noticed that I need to get some orange oil or something to remove these sticky bits off the front of the TV unit from when I taped it all together when I moved, and I just kind of forgot that it was there, but I've noticed it, so I need to do that. Next up, a kitchen time. I have some dishes I need to wash, some dishes I need to put away, and then wipe down the benches. And I think I'll do the front of the cupboards as well, and also I need to clean out my coffee machine. I could feel my sock getting wet while I was standing here, and I thought I had water dripping down off the bench, but no, I must have accidentally kicked this over, and somehow the lid came unscrewed, and now I have a decent amount of cleaning product all over the floor. Okay, kitchen is done, and I'm gonna be really honest with you, I'm over cleaning. I want to sit down because my camera battery is gonna die and my phone battery died, and I'm just struggling with battery life right now, so I just want to get it over and done with. I need to do my entryway, put my shoes away, put the bags away, wipe down this thing, you know, vacuum, all that. I do have a towel on the floor here because I don't have a door snake, so I will leave this here because it has been so windy lately and it just makes so much noise. So that's gonna stay. Everything else can get all cleaned up. That's done. Sometimes I move my plant into the window just so that it can get a little bit of like direct sunlight, as opposed to being over here where it doesn't get direct sunlight, I don't think. Maybe it does like really early in the morning, I actually don't know. But yeah, so that's kind of that. I still haven't really finished styling that, but you know, whatever. That's done. Next up is my desk. Last but not least, so excited to be almost done. I basically moved everything from the couch to here because it's my desk and most of this stuff kind of lives here. So I'm gonna clean it all up and wipe down my glass tabletop. I also have my dressing gown here. I'm not gonna go put that in my room because I kind of use it as a blanket when I'm sitting here, like in the early morning. So it's gonna live on this chair for now. I'm done, finally. I'm so ready to chill out. I'm so happy that I'm done. So everything is looking nice and fresh and clean. I'm done and I'm so glad that I am done. It's like late afternoon now. It's almost like 6 p.m. I think, maybe 5:30, whatever. I'm done. I'm done cleaning. I just want to chill out and relax. So I hope you guys have enjoyed this cleaning motivation video, and let me know if you want to see more of them, because I do quite enjoy making these videos. And don't forget to go and check over on my Instagram for the little like other vertical clip thing that I put together. I don't know, let me know if you want to see like short put together pieces as well over on Instagram. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Up the top you can check out my last video. Down the bottom I'll leave a link to another one of my videos, and I will see you in the next one.